Alright, so let's talk today about some fractions, decimals, and ratios. So I have the decimal there, 36 hundredths, and we want to turn that into a fraction in simplest form. So you put it into a fraction just like you read it, 36 hundredths. So it's going to be 36 over 100. Except that's not in simplest form. In order to put it in simplest form, you need to reduce that fraction. So I'm going to divide both those numbers by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So now I have a fraction in simplest form. Alright, so next let's talk about doing another one of those. So let's say we have 27 hundredths. So again, you put 27 over its place value, which is 100. And this one, the only thing that goes into 27 are 3 and 9, and 3 and 9 don't go into 100, so it's in simplest form. That's all you need to do. So let's talk about turning a fraction into a decimal. Alright, so we have the fraction there, 3/8, and we want to turn that into a decimal. Well, if you don't know what 1/8 is, as one of your benchmark fractions, you can just divide 3 divided by 8. So you're going to have to add that decimal and a 0. 8 goes into 33 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract. You get 6. Add another 0. 8 goes into 67 times, which is 56. Subtract, you get 4. Add another 0. 8 goes into 45 times. So it's 375 thousandths is equal to 3/8. Now I want to talk a little bit about a special one, and that being ninths. Alright, so let's say we have 1/9. So again, if you don't know what these are, you can just add that 0. 9 goes into 10 one time, which is 9. Subtract 1. Add another 0. It's going to go in one time. And if you notice, I'm getting the same thing over and over again. So it's going to be 1 repeating, 1/10 repeating. And what you'll find is, if you do this with any of them, so let's say it's 2/9. So 9 will go into 20 twice, which is 18. See, we're going to start repeating again. So 2/9 equals 2/10 repeating. So what you'll notice is anything that's over 9 is going to be whatever the numerator is repeating. So if you had 7/9 would equal 7/10 repeating.